So first, open Microsoft Excel. And create a new workbook. So sa column A is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And sa column B naman is yung names ng mga product. And let's perform the 4 arithmetics operation using form task. Number 1 is addition. So maglalagay tayo dyan ng equals, and then sum, then pipili tayo ng pag-a-addin natin, like ito 5, and then the additional sign, and then itong 20, number 4, and then close parenthesis, then press enter. So ayan na. And next is subtraction. Equals ulit, and then pipili tayo ng gusto natin ipag-subtract, like 15, and then the subtraction sign, 15 minus 30, then equals, ayan, 15. And then next is multiplication. So dito is equal sign ulit, and then pipili tayo ng pag-multiply natin, like 25, and then the multiple sign or yung star dyan, and then pipili ulit tayo 30, and then equals, enter. So yun ulit yung sagot. And then next is division. Madali lang din to. Equal sign ulit, and then pipili tayo ng pag-divide natin, and then the slash, and then and press the enter. Ayan na agad. And next is the sort data. Sort numbers in sending order, and sort the text alphabetically. So ang gagawin natin muna dito is select natin tong column A, and then punta ka ng com, and then click yung custom sort, then dito sa sort by, select natin yung column A, then largest to smallest, and press OK. And then next naman dito is select natin yung column B, and then punta ka ulit sa sort filter, and then select A to Z. So ayun na agad siya, naka-alphabetical arrange na. And then next, create using the values from column A. So punta ka ng insert, and pipili ka ng anong gusto mong chart. Yung sa akin wala, and then nilalagay dun yung name ko as title, and yun lang. Thank you.